Myths about roundabouts. In talking with several people in anticipation of the roundabout being developed in Bowling Green, people were very fearful of a number of things. They said, oh, they're dangerous, and I'll get in an accident, and they're not good for the environment, and they're so expensive to develop. And I said, that's just not true. Statistically, it has been proven that if an accident occurs, it generally is a very low impact accident. And environmentally, it's very friendly because you do not have starting and stopping of traffic exhaust. And then you also, the expense of it is greatly reduced because you don't have the equipment to maintain and to install, such as poles and lines and hanging stop lights. The design of the bridge is very attractive, and I encourage people to drive out there and take a look at it. The mesh fencing with the curve at the top of it, and the beautiful lighting, and the user-friendly pedestrian walkway and path, fully lighted all the way down to Dunbridge and up onto the campus, is a real plus for this community, especially for students who go out to Myers. And then if you are approaching from the north or the south, the underside of the bridge has an orange painted stripe on it, which tells you you've arrived at the Bowling Green State University campus. And on the lettering that I don't believe is installed yet, but will be, a very attractive script writing that says Bowling Green, to announce that you have arrived in the city of Bowling Green. So it's a wonderful entry into our historic downtown and to the campus when you exit on 75 from north or south. The people that I have talked with since this project was completed, I've asked them if they've driven on it and what they think, and I have not received one negative comment. They think it's pretty cool.